Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics World, and today I am going to solve worksheet 5 half more part. So let's begin. So guys, our fifth question is 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 to the power square into minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. So first we have to reciprocal the rational numbers inside the bracket. So 2 to the power minus 1 will be half to the power 1. So I am not writing 1 here. And guys, if you have not seen the video of reciprocal, how to do reciprocal, so the link is in the description. Get the link from there. So divided by 5 to the power minus 1 reciprocal is 1 by 5 bracket square into 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. So as I had told only in our every video, I had told means this type of videos I had told that if the power is in the negative, so negative power is not accepted in the answer. So if you get the power in negative, so you have to make the power to the positive, and for this you have to reciprocal the numbers. So 5 by 8 reciprocal is 8 by 5. And if the power is 1, so there is no need to write 1. So then we will first do the work inside the bracket. It is divide. So as we do in division, the LHS number should be that as usual it is, and the RHS number should be reciprocaled. To make this division, multiplication 5 by 1 into 8 by 5 only. Now we can see that here nothing can be cancelled, so our answer will be 5 by 2 into 8 by. So guys, here I had done a mistake that here is minus 5 by 8. So minus 5 by 8 reciprocal will be 8 by 5 not. It will be minus 8 by 5. So here also minus 8 by 5. And here final also minus 8 by 5. Sorry guys for this. So now we will do the multiplication, as here it can be cancelled. So 5 can be cancelled. 1 I am not writing. Now 2 and 8 can be cancelled. I think I should write. I can see that there is nothing, no mistakes now. No, there is no mistakes. Just here I have not written power. So this is also power. So guys, cancel it. So guys, this is wrong. Sorry guys for this. Is equal to, first we will, as we will do now, 5 by 2 will come now. 5 by 2 to the power square into minus 8 by 5. Sorry guys, in between I just also forget how to do this one. Means just silly mistakes I do. Sorry guys for that. So leave that guys, please forgive me. Now we will make this exponential number, power number to a rational number. So 5 by 2 to the power square is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So numerator will be 25, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So denominator will be 4 into minus 8 by 5. Here we will cancel everything as we can do. So this will be 1, this will be 5. Now this will also 1, and this will be minus 2. So now our answer has been came 5 into minus 2, so is equal to minus 10, because any number multiplied by a negative number, the answer will come in negative, minus 10. So our answer is No, minus 10. So this was only. So guys, our sixth question is 3 by 7 to the power minus square divided by 4 by 7 to the power minus square. So now first we will reciprocal the number to make the powers positive. So 3 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 3. And guys, if you had not seen our worksheet 2 video, then you will face some problems in doing this reciprocal, because guys, reciprocal is much easy, but once you have to see how to do it perfectly. So link is in the description, you can check it out. Divided by 4 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 4 to the power square. Now, as in the last question we had done, we have said that RHS part in division, RHS part will be as it is and LHS part will be reciprocal to make division multiplication. So now 7 by 3 to the power square multiplied by 4 by 7 to the power square. Now guys, we have to make this exponential number, powers numbers to a rational number. So 7 into 7 is equal to 49 and 3 into 3 is equal to 9 multiplied by 4 by 7. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 and 7 into 7 is equal to 49. And guys, here you can do first that you can first make this rational numbers to the exponential numbers, powers to rational numbers, then you can make this division multiplication, and both way you can do as you think which is better. So now we will cut it. 49 1 1, and now 9 and 16 will be from no, it can be cancelled, so it is 16 by 9. So our final answer is 16 by 9. So this is our sixth question. So our seventh question is 2 bracket 2 by 5 to the power 1 into 3 by 4 to the power 1 bracket to the power minus. No guys, to the power minus 1 in everywhere, to the power minus 1. So first we will make the minus 1 to positive. So for this we have to reciprocal. So 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2 and there is no need to write 1. Multiplied by 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Again no need to write 1. So now we will multiply it. Here we can see the thing that can be cancelled, we will cancel them. 1, here 2. So is equal to what? Yes. No, this bracket only. 10 by 3 to the power. No guys, here no. So guys, here first we have to no guys, we were doing correct. 10 by 3 to the power minus 1. So now minus negative power is not accepted in the answer, so this will reciprocal and become positive. So 10 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 10 and there is no need to write 1. So guys, this is only our answer. Answer 3 by 10 to the power 1. So this was our 7th question. So guys, our 8th question is 2 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 8 into 64. So if there is division and there are powers numbers in the bracket, so we have to subtract the powers. So there is 4, there is division, so 5 minus 8 bracket if we don't write this multiplication sign after the bracket, if there is any number, it will be just a multiplication only. So what was that noise? So it's equal to 4 to the power minus 3 into 64 is equal to, now it is 4 by 1. So 4 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power 3 into 64. So now guys, here this number will be changed into the rational number. So 1 into 1 into 1 is only 1. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. 64 into 64 by 1. Now 64 and 64 will be cancelled. 1 1. So our answer, first here we can write 1. So our answer will be 1. So this was only our 8th question. So guys, our 9th question is 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 4 by 5 to the power square into 4 by 5 to the power cube. So now first we will reciprocal this one. So 4 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 4 to the power 3 into 4 by 5 to the power square into 4 by 5 to the power cube. Now we will make these numbers into the rational number, means we will make this rational number. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25 and 25 into 5 is equal to 125. 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Now 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64 and 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. So now we will cancel them. So 125 and 125 is cancelled. 64 and 64 is cancelled. And now I don't think that this more can be cancelled. No, it can't. So 16 by 25. So guys, our answer is 16 by 25. So this was our 9th question. Guys, our 10th question is to minus half to the power minus 3 by minus half to the power minus 4 minus half to the power minus 5 by minus half to the power minus 6. So this is something tricky, but I know the solution. So it's equal to, first we will make the powers positive. So minus 2 by 1 to the power 3 minus 2 by 1 to the power 4 minus 2 by 1 to the power 5. Here I noted minus, by minus 2 by 1 to the power 6. Now guys, as there comes a question like this division sign, this is also like that, but here the divided line is given, so we will do that like that only. So if there is divide, we have to subtract the powers. Minus 2 by 1 to the power 3 minus 4 minus 2 by 1 to the power 5 minus 6. So it's equal to, now, so it's equal to minus 2 by 1 to the power minus 1 minus 2 by 1 to the power minus 1. Now again the answer is in the negative power, so we have to make it positive. So again it will be minus half minus half. So now guys, here is minus half minus bracket minus half, and if guys here is minus and here is no symbol, it means bracket is there, off is there, means multiplication. Minus 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 into minus is equal to plus. So minus half plus half. So any number subtracted by its number with the additive inverse, so it is 0. Means these are numbers but the values are different. Means here is subtraction and here is positive. So our answer is 0. So guys, this was only our 9th question. Thank you for watching. As guys, today we have completed worksheet 5, question number 1, half more part. Thank you for watching. Please लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, अगर ज़्यादा अच्छी लगे तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिना भूले इसे शेयर भी कर दें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.